Hello gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Rooting Mindfully. My name is Ayana, and today I wanted to thank each and every one of you and show you how far we have come this year. This is Rooting Mindfully in Review. This has been a hard year for us all. This was the year that took us by surprise. We were struck by fear, plagued by confusion, and shrouded by sorrow and grief. But 2020 was not all bad. There were good times too. And when the world needed time to shut down, to slow the spread, we started a plant channel to bring people together. We uploaded 1,016 minutes of content to help you grow your plant collection as simply as possible. And I have to say that when this channel first started, I wasn't sure if anyone would watch my videos, but you guys proved me wrong by hitting the like button 12,006 times. What a community we have grown. We grew this community together. We helped each other with our plant difficulty. We helped each other to look deeper into our plant collections to find the joy, and we inspired others to start something great. And with all of this, you guys have left 1,737 comments, and I cannot be more grateful. When the nursery started slowly opening back up, we showed you that there was still beauty in the world despite everything that was going on. We laughed. Oh, we laughed.
Refitiforum tetrasperma. Yes.
It's a tongue twister.
Yes, it is.
We cried and we felt alone, but we made it through. And though we have made mistakes, yes, there were plenty of mistakes. Way too long.
I'll just cut that part out. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Take care.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Blooper. Blooper. Bloopers.
You shared our videos 438 times. And we are so happy that you helped out those who had similar questions. 2020 has been quite the year. It has challenged us in ways we could have never imagined. We hope that you will continue to watch our content, as you have already watched us 1.9 million minutes this year. And we hope that you will continue to join us on our Planned Parenthood journey. We cannot imagine it without you. So I just want to take this time to thank each and every one of you for being the most supportive community. I cannot thank you enough. I especially want to thank my mom, who's always been there for me every step of the way. She has always been the best cheerleader. I love you all, and we will see you in the next year.